Leaderboards are live, and they are connected to your community values. Here's how it works. Members show up and earn streaks. Streaks become points, and points can be spent on one thing: recognizing other members with your community values. The most recognized are ranked on your leaderboards. Let me show you how to turn it on. First, you're going to want to make sure that your community values are toggled on. You can find them by going to Gamification and Community Values. You can use our defaults, or you can customize them for your community. To turn on your leaderboard, select the Global Features button and turn it on. You can also change the name by selecting Manage and choosing Scoreboard, Champions, or adding your own custom name. Leaderboards include hosts, moderators, and members, and they will refresh every Monday morning at 7 a.m. PST. If you reach the leaderboard, you will get a notification, and if you haven't, you'll get a notification to check it out anyways. We can't wait to see what you do with leaderboards and to see the mighty game live inside your communities.